Another new day. Turn on all the lights. Put the coffee on. Customers should be here anytime. We didn't start out like this, but you don't get to where we are without remembering where you came from. This is volunteer country, where history and culture define us, where hard work is no stranger. When our customers told us what they wanted, we listened. Our 4,000 square foot showroom, award-winning parts, rental, and service departments. Our certified collision center and innovative vehicle design division are all unique to us. We added a playroom for the kids, the TK Cafe for families, and a cozy lounge for you to watch TV. Or work quietly on your own. We truly are one of a kind, and for that, we say thank you. To those we've met along the way, and to those we will meet in the years to come. No, we didn't build Toyota Knoxville to be your dealership. You made us your dealership. Our town, your dealership. Welcome home.